She could barely walk. Each step hurts. Then she did one simple 10-minute stretch every single day for 30 days. Today, we share her progress and the exact routine you can follow too. Welcome to Every Age Wellness Hub. In this channel, you'll discover natural remedies, expert-backed routines, and everyday habits that can truly change how your body feels without complicated jargon. Every video is designed for people just like you. So if you're ready to take control of your health, naturally and confidently, tap that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a simple tip that might just change your life. The morning that changed everything. I was getting old fast, and I could feel it in my knees. Those were the words of Margaret Collins, a retired elementary school teacher from Traverse City, Michigan. At 62, Margaret had gracefully embraced her silver hair and morning tea rituals. But what she hadn't prepared for was the growing war between her joints and her willpower. Every morning felt like waking up inside a locked body. Her knees groaned. Her back stiffened. Her fingers curled like cold branches. I was stiff. I was sore. I was tired of feeling old, she often muttered to herself. Margaret had been diagnosed with early-stage osteoarthritis at 57. Her doctor called it manageable, a part of aging. Common, he said. Just take your NSAIDs and keep moving. But Margaret didn't want to live her life in painkillers and heating pads. One day, while visiting her daughter Rachel, something small but powerful happened. Rachel handed her a printed sheet. "Mom, you have 10 minutes in the morning, right? Just try this." It was a beginner stretching guide for seniors with arthritis. Margaret scoffed. "Stretching? What is this? Yoga for grandmas?" Rachel laughed. "Yes, exactly. Grandma yoga. But it works. Just give it a week." And that's when it began. Day 1, the first 10 minutes. Margaret cleared a small space in her living room the next morning. With her tea still steaming nearby, she placed a rolled towel on the floor and stared at the sheet. There were 6 simple stretches. Neck rolls, shoulder circles, hamstring stretches, seated twists, ankle rotations, and a supported squat against the wall. "All right, knees. Don't embarrass me." Her movements were stiff. She winced during the hamstring stretch. The twist felt like wringing out a rusted mop. Her breathing was shallow, and her balance wobbled. But she finished it. And afterward, Margaret felt different. Not pain-free, but as though she had cracked open a window in a stale room. The first week, awakening. By day 3, she added music to her stretching, soft jazz. By day 5, she wasn't using the towel for support anymore. Something inside her had shifted. The stiffness didn't leave, but it loosened. She started noticing small wins. She could get out of bed with less hesitation. She didn't need her cane in the mornings. Her mood was lighter, her breath deeper. Margaret had accidentally created a ritual. Each day at 6:30 a.m., wake up, drink a glass of warm lemon water, put on soft socks and leggings, play music, begin her 10-minute stretch, finish with 2 minutes of still breathing. Are you following up with me? Write "I am" with you in the comment section. Week 2. The mind joins the body. Something profound began to happen in week 2. It wasn't just her joints that felt better. Her mind cleared. She stopped skipping breakfast. Her cravings for sugary snacks dwindled. She drank more water. She read more. She rejoined her church choir. It's like I remembered how to live. She researched the benefits of daily stretching for arthritis. Here is what she discovered. Daily stretching increased circulation to joints, reduced inflammation, better lymphatic flow, endorphin release, improved sleep patterns. Each article confirmed what she was experiencing. She even added a few new stretches to her routine, including a seated cat-cow stretch and a supported downward dog using her countertop. Week 3, a body reclaimed. The moment that changed everything came on day 19. Margaret was walking to the mailbox when she realized, I didn't brace myself for the stairs. Her knees didn't scream. Her hips didn't lock. She moved with a kind of fluidity she hadn't felt in years. She cried, I felt strong. Not young, but strong. Capable. In control. Rachel visited that weekend and was stunned. Mom, you're glowing. What you doing? Stretching. 10 minutes a day. Every day. They laughed. Rachel joined her the next morning. Week 4, a new normal. Margaret's routine had evolved into something beautiful. Now she paired her stretching with light ankle weights twice a week, Epsom salt soaks every Sunday night, a joint-friendly breakfast, oats, berries, chia seeds. Her sleep had improved. Her mood swings stabilized. She even reconnected with friends at her local library's walking group. The stretching didn't just change my body, it gave me back my days. Reflections after 30 days. By the end of the month, Margaret had a new identity. Not just as a retired teacher, but as a woman who reclaimed her body, her health, and her spirit. Her top takeaways. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. 10 minutes is enough to change everything. Aging doesn't mean surrendering. Small wins become life changes. Your body is listening. Treat it with kindness. Margaret today. Now 63, Margaret leads a free weekly stretch circle in her community park. She teaches others what she learned. Your joints may stiffen with age, but your will, that can stay limber forever. She's off daily pain meds. She walks 5,000 steps a day, and she's planning her first hiking trip in over a decade. It all started with 10 minutes, just 10, every morning, with jazz, socks, breath, and a little bit of courage. Subscribe to Every Age Wellness Hub now for more real-life transformations backed by science.